If you had to pick SEO or content marketing and you could only pick one, which one would you choose? Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down content marketing versus SEO. Which one drives more traffic? Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Now, question for you. In the comments below, tell me what you think will drive more traffic, SEO or content marketing? I'm waiting. What do you think? Is it SEO? Is it content marketing? Well, you're about to find out. A lot of people actually say this is a false debate since SEO and content marketing should work together. And that's definitely true when it comes to generating traffic to your own website. If SEO is about optimizing pages on your website, ultimately you'll be optimizing that pages that at least have some content, whether it's your title, maybe a description. It doesn't have to be a blog post. So there is truth to it in which it's really hard to do SEO if you don't have content. And a lot of people who watch my channel already know SEO to some degree, but with content marketing, most people don't. So if you want to learn content marketing from the beginning, there's a video for you to watch. It's the Beginner's Guide to Content Marketing. But content marketing isn't just about pushing content on your own website. You can actually do content marketing on several different platforms. Video content like YouTube, Facebook, social media content, podcast content, live events. So we could say that content marketing has more potential to generate traffic than SEO if you think about it more holistically. Beyond just visitors, you could be getting views to your YouTube videos, engagement, followers, even clicks on social media channels, people listening and subscribing to your podcast, viewers in your live event. Now, most of my audience is focused pretty heavily on generating traffic to their own websites, so let's dive into how content marketing and SEO should work together. First off, it's all about targeting the right keywords and offering amazing content that gives searches what they're looking for when they search on Google. This involves both SEO and content marketing skills. Just think about it. Whenever you search on Google and you land on a website that you don't like, what do? You click the back button. That's why content marketing is important. Yes, you want the ranking, but you want to make sure that the content matches what the intent is of the searcher. Now, writing great headlines and meta descriptions for your content really can help. No matter how great your content is, if it doesn't get clicked on, it won't generate traffic. This is another way that they work hand in hand, right? Knowing how to write and test headlines is an SEO skill by nature, and it supports your content marketing efforts. Another thing that you should be doing is optimizing your content for readability. And that not only involves creating content, but also knowing how to serve that content piece in a way that's easy to read by your visitors. Again, this skill both involves content marketing and SEO. Structured data. This one helps search engines understand what your content is all about and serving it to them among the search results in the most relevant way. And that way, when someone's searching for, let's say, something like a restaurant, they can just see the star rating right there or the review rating right there. That's an example of what structured markups can do. Because remember, all those people leaving reviews, that's content marketing. And those reviews can help people better understand if they want to go to that restaurant or store or work with that business. Another strategy that I love is internal linking. Think about this. If you're the one writing your content, you can improve the user experience by linking to other related pieces of content. And this helps with SEO because those pages are going to rank higher. And speaking of user experience, there's also improvements you can make, from mobile load time to optimizing core web vitals. There are lots of technical measures that you can implement for the best experience when consuming your content, such as lazy load. As people scroll, more images and content load. As they don't scroll, it doesn't load. That way, the page loads faster, especially when they're on mobile devices. The bottom line is your content won't perform well unless you do SEO as well. Sure, you may get a social boost from it in the short run, but if you want long-lasting traffic, you need to focus on SEO and content marketing. And of course, content marketing can drive you traffic without SEO, like YouTube, podcasts. They're all examples of content marketing, but if you combine both, you'll do even better. Now, if you need help combining your content marketing with your SEO, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you just need help, leave a comment below. We're here to help you. I'll answer each and every single question or try to. and I wish you the best of luck to getting more traffic from SEO and content marketing.